And good morning, everyone. It's Luke here over at Pine Acres RV in Moncton. Check this out. Cedar Creek, Cedar Creek, Cedar Creek. Gotta love it. Believe it or not, this is a 2004. It's been owned for the last 10 years by one of our service managers. Very well taken care of. They tell me that this is a hook and go, meaning that the safety is done. Everything has been checked out. It is in very, very good condition. A 2004. This has got bunks in the rear. We'll be taking a look at that very, very soon. Take a look on how clean it is and the condition. Let's go up nice and close. Look at the shine. Partial paint. Absolutely incredible. Let's go down here. It's a 2004, folks. It does have a manual awning. The Cedar Creek custom. Aluminum framing. There's the model number. Let's go inside. Okay, going inside the Cedar Creek. I had to ask our service manager if he was a detailer in a previous world, because the thing is so clean. Fridge. That is propane and, gas and electric. Here is the bunk room in the rear. 2 bunks, windows, tall ceilings. That also turns into a bed. And an old school TV. 4 chairs and a table, and that table does extend. The couch. Love that window up there. We got a fireplace, flat screen TV. You even got a safe. Because all that money you're going to save by buying this. Nice little pegboard for your keys. You can hang your jackets right there. All right. Here's the sink. Shower. Skylight. And of course somebody can get ready out here. And somebody could be getting ready in here. Thank goodness for the fan. That is a ceramic toilet. All right here. Another spot to put clothes. And here is the master bedroom. Opposing windows for cross ventilation. Nice big closet here. Some deep. Both sides. Fantastic. That can close up for privacy. And let's see, underneath the bed storage. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. You gotta come take a look at this for yourself. Wow. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.